Hello everyone, I cut a 12 cm circle and I'm going to make a yo-yo. I made 8 yo-yos and now I just need to glue them on top of each other. We'll make this owl really quickly. It's super easy. If you're enjoying this video, like, share, and leave a comment. I cut a 9 cm circle and I'm going to make another yo-yo. I made another yo-yo with a 12 cm circle. I'm going to put glue on half of this yo-yo right here. To make the beak, I cut a 2.5 centimeter felt triangle. Easy, easy. There's nothing to it. Now we're going to glue it right here, like this. Right in the middle of the yo-yo. I made 2 yo-yos with a 5 cm circle. Now just sew the button here in the middle. I cut a 12 cm circle and I'm going to make another yo-yo. But for this yo-yo, we need to make a little fold in it. It has to be finished off nicely. So you're going to do it like this, look. Make a little fold and start basting. Fold and baste. This yo-yo needs to look like this. See, finished off. Really nice, because this part will show. Apply glue all over the yo-yo. Glue it here on the back side. This yo-yo is what will make the owl's head stand upright. I made another yo-yo with a 12 cm circle. I folded the edge to finish it off nicely. I cut a 24 cm satin cord. I tied the ends. I'll make a few stitches here, look. I'm going to sew this cotton cord onto this yo-yo. This, guys, is for those who want to make this owl as a keychain. If you want to use this owl for decoration, just don't add this cord here, okay? cut a 12C circle. I folded it in half. I fold it again. I'm going to sew a running stitch all the way around. And the wing is ready. Easy, quick. Look at this. I told you all, making this owl is really easy. I'm in love, guys. Easy, quick. You can make a lot of owls in just one day. Look how beautiful it is. Which one did you like the most? Pink or blue? I'm in love with both. If you liked this video, like, share, and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Wishing you health and peace.